Hi, my name's Audrey. I am a VP of Experience and Design, and I give Figma a 5 out of 5. And for more reviews like this, you can click below. So I've been using Figma actually for around at least 4 years now. So before Figma, I was using Sketch. Figma is just far superior than Sketch, only because of the collaboration tools and capabilities it has. So Figma allows you to, comment back and forth with your coworkers, as well as see people design in live time, and that's really useful for companies. So I ended up choosing Figma because it really is the industry standard right now for designing and creating products. So just because of the collaboration features, I chose it. It also is regularly coming out with different capabilities and features that sometimes I didn't even know I needed. It's very clear that Figma is listening to its users and actively doing research when it comes to launching features at a regular cadence, and that's really valuable. So getting started with Figma, there definitely is a learning curve. It does take a little bit to get used to the controls and all the capabilities it offers, but I would definitely say it's worth it, working over this learning curve and understanding everything it can offer you from a design perspective and also a collaboration perspective. So I would say it's a little bit easier for designers to get acclimated if you come from a different tool. It is a little bit more challenging for other people in an organization to get used to the features and navigating around Figma. So I would recommend, definitely allocating some time when it comes to onboarding onto Figma. So my recommendations for anyone looking into Figma is definitely allocate, potential onboarding time to definitely learn all the tools and capabilities it has. And then also Figma, becomes more of a powerful tool when you have more people in your organization using it. So I would recommend also thinking about that, like teaching others in an organization the different features and how you can collaborate with one another, because that's really what it's for.